Our past holds a treasure trove of stories, memories, and traditions that are worth preserving. And when we restore a heritage site, we are not just bringing back a monument to its former glory, we are also reviving the spirit of the community around it. The Deccan Heritage Foundation aspires to restore some of the iconic structures of the Deccan region of India, with environmental and social impact at the forefront of each of its projects. The DHF's attempts at restoring the Kares water system in Bidar, Karnataka is an example of how heritage conservation, environmental preservation, and community engagement can go hand in hand. At Gagan Mahal in Anegundi, Karnataka, the DHF not only conserved the 16th century Vijayanagara monument, but also restored the village square at its front, making it a hub of community activity. In the former British residency in Hyderabad, now the Telangana Women's University, the DHF has restored the model of the residency, the symmetry in its premises in collaboration with the British Association for Cemeteries of South Asia and the Rang Mahal Pavilion, and its adjoining gardens with support from Sonata Software, empowering new generations of women in their engagement with history. In Panagal, Telangana, the DHF is working towards preserving the Chalukya temple style and architecture of the Pachala Someshwara temple. The DHF will soon commence the restoration of the Jayalakshmi Vilas mansion in Mysore, Karnataka, with help from the Ambassadors Fund for Cultural Preservation. The grant will support the restoration of the collapsed and structurally unsound portions of this royal edifice, in addition to cataloguing its 14,000 anthropological and ethnographic artifacts. The Deccan Heritage Foundation asserts that heritage conservation can be a powerful driver to promote sustainable and inclusive communities that prioritize environmental consciousness.